2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Cold startup. Alright, so what's going on right now? Well, first let's do the intro. What's going on, guys? It's your boy, back at it with another video. Now, a lot of you aren't aware if you've seen past videos, but there's like a chance of a hurricane that's going to hit Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and North Carolina on, I think it's Wednesday night or Thursday morning. I know Tuesday they're supposed to have over 15-foot waves off the coast. So right now, before I'm going jet skiing, it's like 2 o'clock. I am running. There's some more stuff I ordered at Home Depot. Stuff with the generator, some fans. I got like the last 2 fans that they had at Home Depot. Then from what I'm aware too, is like every generator is gone now in the area sold. I got the last one I had at Home Depot, but I mean everywhere, they're sold out. I'm gonna run over to Costco too. I'm on my way now to both Home Depot and Costco. I'm gonna go to Costco, pick up some, you know, the essential stuff you need, like toilet paper, paper towels, garbage bags. I know I'm low on those. I'm also gonna pick up some canned, like fruits, vegetables, you know, different canned foods and some stuff that's already cooked. So when you open it up, you don't have to cook it, because there's a chance the power might go out. We could be, you know, like a day without power. It could be a couple of weeks. I mean, who knows? So it's better to be prepared with what you kind of need to survive. And then after that, I'm jetting back home, hooking up the trailer with the Jeep SRT and both the jet skis, taking the RXT-X 300 out today on the ocean. So stay tuned, watch the whole video. It's just a little started stuff that I got to get prepped for this whole hurricane thing coming. I want to get it done today instead of waiting last minute. Like all the canned food's gone, or especially stuff I've already ordered on Home Depot. They don't sell it because it's like there's some certain stuff that it's important to have that I just don't want to end up finding they selling. I wait too later in the day or whatever, later tonight and go get it. And I just rather just get it all now and know I got it, I'm all ready. And then also there's some like tactical flashlights and stuff like that, and then getting all ready for this like hurricane if it hits. It looks like it's gonna be bad. I also got this like people coming by tomorrow, will be on the next video too, where they're gonna like, I don't want to say tint the windows of my house, but some type of film. Not really 100% aware about it. They're going to explain it, but it's some type of film that goes on the windows that'll protect it from like hurricanes and stuff. Not starting to rain. Hurricanes, from protecting from having like the glass shattering. Oh, it is raining here. And look at that. It goes from like sunny to rainy. Funniest is to be driving a 700 plus Hellcat on drag radials. I didn't think it was going to rain today. So hey, it's good I'm jet skiing a little bit later, because now it's like, it's raining. So, just typical living on the East Coast. This is what happens. Like a storm comes out of nowhere. It's like 0% chance of rain today. And this always happens where it's like, says no rain, and then some storm comes to like North Carolina, South Carolina, or the east coast of the ocean and stuff, Atlantic Ocean. So, I'm going to start jetting those things. I'll show you a little bit of the stuff I quickly bought and what's going on. It won't be that long, and then we're going to hit it on the water and do some jet skiing. So let's get it going. Oh my God, look at this. This is Costco. This is the gas station, so they got a tanker truck here. Look at the line to get fuel. Now, I've never been here on a Saturday, but I mean, this is I don't know, this is crazy. I don't know, everybody's like thinking like, how's the fuel gonna last you that whole time? That's why I bought fuel jugs and was prepared days ago. Thank you very much. Also, what I find funny is a lot of people that are, you know, I've only lived out here for 6 months, and a lot of people that lived out here a lot longer than me, or even their whole lives, are like, oh, you're overreacting about this hurricane coming, it's gonna miss, you know, oh, and hey, I got all the stuff I need. Now I just gotta get my fuel and a few things at Home Depot. I'm all ready for this hurricane. So got to plan ahead. All right, so got everything I need at Costco. They're sold out of water already, and the hurricane doesn't hit for, see, it's Sunday. It's supposed to hit Wednesday, Thursday morning, so like 3.5, 4 days away. They're already out of water. So I'm all stacked up. What I pretty much need, food-wise, $509 right here. Yeah, hey, you can't forget having some Corona too. They're almost sold out of that. Crazy thing is, I bought like 2 bags of dog food. They're nearly sold out of that. They're selling out of everything. Good thing is I got the water ready. Gonna try to fit all that in this and still have to pick up more stuff at Home Depot. So let's get it packed up and get it going. All right, got everything loaded up from Home Depot. Man, this Hellcat's like completely full of stuff. Show you guys the trunk. Yeah, I got tons of food, so I think I'm all set. Let's get it back home. Biggest thing is you want to do it too is like when anything there's a chance of storm, if there's a, you know, a chance or could not be, or you know, it couldn't be, you should always be prepared just in case. There's nothing to lose. I mean, the last thing you want to do is be that person waiting to the last second and you go buying everything and there's nothing to buy because it's all gone. I mean, the scary thing is like water is almost like, I was at Home Depot, they had a couple cases of water and they said while supplies last. They're not getting any more. I mean, that's the reality of being prepared, because I mean you can't survive without water. And yeah, to my viewers, you know, if you're younger, older, you know, you ever been through a disaster or not, I mean, always be prepared. It would be silly not to. You have nothing to lose. Crazy how much stuff is like almost gone for people to buy. All right, time to get home. It's 3:41, so it gets dark at like 7 something. There's like a storm coming through, and let's cross our fingers that like by the time I get this all unloaded, it's not too late. I can go out on the jet ski for a little bit and just kind of like chill out, because it's like all this going on gets people like really freaked out. And I know tonight I'll have to go fill up all my fuel jugs in case there's like a shortage of fuel earlier. I bought like healthy food, like canned fruits, vegetables, like canned tuna, canned chicken breast, let's see what else did I get, chicken noodle soup, like stuff like that. It's healthy for you. Oh yeah, and I got like 6 cases of 6 or 7 cases of organic applesauce that has like 36 cups in there. I got like a case of like 500 spoon, 500 fork, just trying to figure this out. That's just kind of hard when you have pets, is it's not just preparing for yourself, it's preparing for your animals. Let's get home so we can get on the jet ski. All right guys, I'm not playing around what I just saw, which I was recording going through the Waccamaw River, and I saw right in front of me a bull shark jump out of the water. I've heard the rumors, and I'll tell you the rumors are true, but this was on the waterway, Atlantic waterway in Myrtle Beach where I saw it. I was in the Waccamaw River and there was a bull shark jumped out of the water, and it was huge. I mean, it was just like, holy cow. I mean, they're out. They're sharks, fresh water, and they're in the Waccamaw River and traveling up. I mean, you gotta be careful. I will never, ever jump in this water and swim, no matter what. That's crazy. I mean, you got sharks in the ocean, you got sharks in the waterway. Let's get this video going. My gosh. right, guys, it looks like the end of the road, end of the video. It's almost dark. Got to get this thing out of the water before it gets pitch black. So I'm planning on going to the ocean tomorrow. I got to see what the weather is like with this hurricane coming. What the waves are. I'm going no matter what. I'm not scared. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, oh, let's build this Beowulf Nation big. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, be driven to living life. Don't let anybody ever tell you you can't become something. If you have something you want to drive to be, become it. Don't sit there and say one day you're going to do it. Just do it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.